This video is designed to provide a basic introduction to the controls and functions of the Household Comparison Report in your digital Pima. In it, you will learn how to customize a report, navigate the tables displaying household comparison data, interpret the Members and Community Index, and download an Excel worksheet containing all of the attributes in your digital Pima Reports pages. The Household Comparison Report allows you to compare information about member and community households in a given geographic shape around the branch. We'll start by using the branch control to select the Southwest Family Branch. Using the Base Shapes control, we'll select the 15-minute drive time as the base shape. We'll turn off the branch label and minimize the Customize Map control. Other controls are available for the map. Please refer to the video Map Control Basics for additional information. The three tables in this report allow you to compare and contrast demographic characteristics of member and community households in the same geographic shape around a Y branch. The left tab presents the age distributions of the member and community households. Here, 5.9% of member households in Southwest's 15-minute drive time area have a head of household under the age of 25, compared to 4.2% of the overall community households within the same shape. An index is calculated for each comparison or row. The index equals the percentage of member households divided by the percentage of community households multiplied by 100. You can interpret the index to mean the member households are about 40% more likely to be headed by someone under 25 than their neighbors. On the other end of the age scale, 17.1% of member households in this shape are headed by a person over 65. Among overall community households, that number is 23.4%. Members index at just over 73. Put differently, Y members are about 27% less likely to be seniors than their neighbors. You can also click on the Income and Ethnicity tabs to see those distributions and indexes. Just below the right corner of the map, you will see a green button for Export File. Click on that button to download a 4-tab Excel workbook containing age, income, ethnicity, and shape statistics for all of the branches in the association. You will find this workbook in your downloads. You can use these statistics to do additional analysis or build charts and tables for any of the Ys in your association. This concludes the demonstration of the Household Comparisons Report in your digital Pima. We would like to thank the YMCA of Greater Louisville for allowing us to use their report to illustrate this video.